Hey everyone, today we are going to be doing the December Boxycharm unboxing. I did do the Boxyluxe unboxing as well, so I'll link that down below if you want to go see that. But if you want to see just the regular December box, then let's just get into what we have is LaRousse Special Edition 3-piece eye brush set. I'm always down for brushes. I love when we get brushes in our boxes. I don't know how to open this. How do I open you? Yay, okay, there we go. Let's see. Oh, the one brush looked really funny. Okay, so you get like an eyeshadow brush, a blending brush, and then like one of these little brushes, which I love those brushes so much. So I definitely think that is a good little addition to the box. Next product we have is the Murad Retinol Youth Eye Serum, and y'all, I am obsessed with skincare. I love when Boxycharm includes good skincare, and I've heard lots of good things about Murad, so I'm really excited to try this. My under eyes always need something, and I'm just excited to take care of my skin. I'm gonna be 25 in January, so Lord knows I need it. The eyeshadow the eyeshadow palette we have is the Dominique Unconditional palette. It's like a berry tone palette, and it's gorgeous. This is the first palette that they've included in a while that I actually like. The only thing I'm not too sure about is that pressed glitter. The pressed glitter kind of scares me, but the rest of the palette is everything. Especially the shade Jaden, which is this really dark berry. I love berry eyeshadows, so this is a palette that I would get decent use out of, but the glitter does scare me because, you know, not eye safe, but this packaging is really cute and I'm excited to try this palette. The next product we have is the Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser by La Palette Beauty, and I'm always down for skincare. Like I said, I don't need more cleansers though, because like I feel like every other month they send a cleanser, so really I don't think I need this, but I'm always down for skincare, so I'll definitely get use out of this. If not, then my mother will. When washing the food, 88% moisturizing essence ingredients. Okay, maybe I will use this. Paraben-free, benzo-free, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Skin irritation test complete. So that's cool. The last product we have is the Real Her Set Your Goal Blurring Veil, which I'm always down for powder as well. Usually I do go through my powders. I think right now I'm using a Junico powder, which they don't even have anymore. So can I get into you, please? I always am down for powder because then I don't have to go and buy a powder and figure that out, because, yeah. I almost got it. Just fucking open. Jesus. Oh, that looks like it's gonna be orange. I don't know about this. So that's what the powder looks like. For my pasty skin, I don't know if it would work. I'm thinking not. It's a little too peach toned, but I'm down to try it. Half the time my foundations ends up too dark anyways, so whatever, right? Like, who cares? But I don't know. It's a setting powder. It is what it is. For all the prices for everything, like the retail prices. So the Dominique Cosmetics Unconditional Palette retails for $28 US. The Murad Eye Serum, $89 US. The eye brush set, $38 US. The Real Her powder, $25 US, and the fresh cleanser is $32 US. So you are getting your money's worth with this box. It's not my favorite box. I definitely prefer the Luxe box from this month for sure, but this box is okay. It's like a 50-50 because I do this is already worth it just by itself because this retails for so much money. So I think it's worth it this month because of that, honestly. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.